a program to make Sphero roll in a square. You can try this on your own without the video or follow along here for a step-by-step guide. All of the steps are set up this way. A square is a regular polygon where all sides are the same length and all internal angles equal to 90 degrees. So this is an easy shape to start with. To start, click the Program button in the upper right to link a new program to this activity. Name it Sqaure and choose the block's program type. Before you get started, it's helpful to know you can double tap any block to get a hint of what it does and what units it's measured in. Some blocks have a Learn More button that links to more information about the command beyond the context of Sphero, such as on the Set Color block where you can read all about LED lights. Feel free to explore the various blocks to get a sense for what's available. For your square, you will start here in the Actions category. Actions are things that make the robot do a specific movement or action, such as changing the LED lights. For the square, you will start with a roll block. Add one roll block to the canvas for the first side of the square by dragging and dropping below the start block. The roll block has 3 values you can edit. Duration, or delay, is how long you want Sphero to roll for and is measured in seconds. The longer the duration, the bigger the square will be. Choose 1 second. Speed is how fast Sphero moves and is measured on a scale of 0 to 255. Choose a moderate speed of 60 using the speed slider. If you tap on the number, you can also directly input the value. Sphero sees the world in degrees, and heading is the angle you want Sphero to roll at. 0 degrees is straight ahead, assuming you have aimed the robot. Choose 0 degrees so your square starts by rolling straight forward. Now you need 3 more roll blocks for the remaining 3 sides of the square. To save time, you can copy the first block by single tapping the first roll block, tap the copy icon, then tap again, and tap paste. You can repeat this 2 more times. Each side will have the same delay and speed as the first roll block. The only variable you need to change on these blocks is the heading angle so that Sphero turns around each corner. The second block will be 90 degrees, or to the right. The third block will be 180 degrees, or backward. And the fourth block will be 270 degrees, to the left. Time to run the program. Place your Sphero on the ground. Tap the Aim ring in the upper right, then drag the ring until the blue light on Sphero faces you. Now press Start to see your square. What do you notice about the square? It looks like it has 4 sides, but the turns were rounded instead of 90 degrees like you programmed. You can also see this from the location sensor data that appears when you run a program. To view the sensor data log after running your program, tap the Overflow button in the upper right and choose Sensor Data. You can see the path Sphero traveled here, but it looks like you need to make a change to get it to look more like a square. To fix this, you need to add a short delay after each roll command so that the robot comes to a stop before starting the next side. In the Controls category, grab a delay block and drop one after the first roll block and set it to 1 second. Now copy and paste it after the other 3 roll blocks. Your program should now look like this. Now, when you run the program, the robot should create a successful square with sharp corners. Congratulations on creating a great Sqaure program. Now, take a quick look at the text code for this program. Click the Overflow button and tap JavaScript code. Here is the actual code that you wrote with your blocks, and it's what the app streams over Bluetooth to communicate to the robot.